All right, so today we're gonna be doing a vent replacement on the E350 Econoline. If you take a look on top here, we've got this disgusting, hideous vent which came on it, leaks water right through. There's a gap right under it. Remove that, and then we're going to cut a larger hole out with the Sawzall. A new vent to install. So we have this bad boy. It's gonna be getting installed. Looks good. Looks pretty good. This thing twists up, and it's got a grate in there. Right, mesh grate. So we're gonna install that on top of this bad girl. So we removed the nuts that we could, that would come off, but these other ones that are still on here, they were spinning. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off with the angle grinder. So, ground those things down. So 2 of them pulled out, as you can see. This is what one looks like pulled out. These other 2, which we just re-ground down, should come out. So, there you can see the other one. Oh, shoot. All of them except for one, because I forgot about it. So we'll chop that out real quick, and then we'll come back when the vent's out. Alright, so this is what our old glorious vent looked like. Basically a drain, floor drain in our roof. Time to swap her. Alright, so next step, roof is all marked up. I just marked it up with some Sharpie. Now we've got this jigsaw, especially for this job. Cut the roof out and see how that goes. So that's what it looks like, all marked up. Wish me luck. The project has been delayed. We just lost power. We'll wait for power to come back on, and then we will revisit it once we are back live. So we figured out the problem. The extension cord I was using was cut. Turns out this socket still was working. I did a pretty shitty job of cutting that out. What are you gonna do? So now she's cut out, so now she's in. Now we need to seal it. This stuff, it's called Bethel tape. It's like putty, so that's gonna go on the outside where it gets pressed down on and where the bolts go through. After I put this on, then we're gonna screw it down, and then we're gonna put on this tape, which is called Eternabond, Ultrabond, Eternabond, blah blah blah. I don't know. Links will be in the description for this stuff. So yeah, we're almost there. Pretty stupid of me that it was the extension cord was like cut. I maybe cut it by accident. Out with the old, in with the new. Now time to cut her out. We got the vent mounted. Bethel tape, put it in the description. This is just like a putty you pulled off, and I put that in between the plastic lip, right? And then the metal, so it's inside there. That other stuff is on the outside. So I put it in between there, put it on, I riveted it on. As you can see, here's the bottom side of the rivets. So I riveted it on. You can see some of that putty oozing out. So I did all that. To top it off, I put this stuff, which is called, as you can see it right there, Eternabond roof seal. So I put that on the outside over the top, so that goes over top of the rivets, and then over top the rivets, over top the plastic, and then onto the roof, and that's going to be the main seal. So both those are seals. So we just bang that out. So now should be good to go there. We will see how that goes when it comes to driving and using the vent and whatnot. Catch you later.